Our royal expert is dropping a bombshell, actually telling King Charles he needs to step down from the throne because of the Andrew scandal. Biographer Andrew Loney isn't holding back. He is accusing the palace of perverting the course of justice by allegedly ignoring warnings about Andrew's behavior for years. Loney claims they knew about the bribes and the risks but chose to protect the family image instead. He believes the king is now too compromised to lead, saying he should abdicate if he can't bring his brother to justice. He even suggests people are staying quiet because they are scared of losing their OBEs or royal invites. Do you agree that the king is compromised by his brother's past, or is this demand for abdication going way too far? Let me know in the comment section.